In this video, we are going to learn a PLC complete control wiring, in which we learn how to do PLC input power supply wiring, also learn PLC control wiring, in which we learn how to do PLC wiring in source mode, and also learn how to do PLC wiring in sync mode, and also learn digital input connection. You can connect push button as a digital input, and also you can connect any proximity sensor for as a digital input, and also you can connect a limit switch as a digital input. So in this video we will learn all about digital input connection with push button, limit switch and proximity sensor, and also learn digital output connection. Okay, you can see here it's a digital output terminal of PLC. In digital output we will connect 124 volt DC relay, also connect 124 volt bulb, and also we will connect one contactor, and by this contactor we want to run 3-phase induction motor. Okay, so let's start video and first learn some basic information about this PLC. After that we will learn a complete control wiring. Okay, so before starting control wiring, first you can see here we have delta PLC. Okay, in which we have some indication which is power indicator. When power is connected in this PLC line and neutral, you can see here, so power indicator will blink. If any digital output will run with this PLC, so run indicator will blink, and if any error come in this PLC, so error indicator will blink. So we have three indicator: power indicator, run indicator and error indicator. You can see here we have 18 from X0 to X17. So in this PLC we have total 18 digital input terminals. If any digital input will operate, so indicator will also blink. Okay, so in this PLC we have total 18 digital input terminal, and also we have 18 digital output terminals. You can see here from Y0 to Y17. Okay, you can see here if any digital output will operate, so indicator will blink. Okay, so in this PLC we have 18 digital input and 18 output terminals. Okay, you can see here it's a PLC input power supply terminal, in which we need to connect line, neutral and earthing supply in this PLC. But before doing any connection, first check input power supply voltage of PLC. Okay, some PLC may be operate on 24 volt DC terminal. Okay, and for control terminals you can see here we have 24 volt positive terminal, 24 volt ground terminal and SS terminal. Okay, now first learn when we do PLC wiring in source mode and when we do PLC wiring in sync mode. Okay, so if you have any digital input as a proximity sensor, okay, and if you have any proximity sensor PNP type, okay, so if you have any proximity sensor of PNP type, so PNP sensor output will be positive. Okay, so if you have digital input positive, so you need to connect to PLC supply in source mode. Okay, if you have proximity sensor PNP type, so PLC connection will done in source mode. Okay, if you have NPN type sensor, so you need to do PLC wiring in sync mode. Okay, today we have PNP type sensor, so we will do connection as a source mode. So for source mode you need to short ground to SS terminal, and all control wiring will done with 24 volt positive terminal. Okay, and if you want to do connection in sync mode, so short 24 volt positive terminal to SS terminal and do control wiring as a 24 volt ground terminal. Okay, we will learn all concept practically. Also you can see here we have total 18 digital input terminal from X0 to X17. Okay, and we will do control wiring as a source mode, so we will short 24 volt ground to SS terminal. Okay, so for source mode. Okay, now see PLC digital output terminal. As we know we have total 18 digital output terminal from Y0 to Y17. Okay, now learn how to do wiring in digital output terminal. Okay, with this PLC digital output terminal we will connect to 24 volt DC relay, also we will connect to 24 volt bulb, and also we want to run 3-phase induction motor with this contactor. Okay, so how to do control wiring, let's learn. Okay, first you can see here we have C0, you can see here it's a C0, and with C0 we connect Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3, total 4 digital output terminal with C0 terminal. Okay, you can see here. And with C1 we have Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. That means with C0 we connect a 4 digital output, and with C1 we connect a 4 digital output. That means if you connect a 24 volt supply in C0, if you connect a 24 volt supply in C0, so in Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 we will get 24 volt supply. Okay, and if you connect 220 volt supply and AC supply, if you connect in C1, okay, if you connect 220 volt supply AC supply in C1, so Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7 we will get AC supply. Okay, so C is a common terminal. Which supply you connect in C terminal, then you will get output in digital output terminal. Okay, it's a very basic concept. If you connect a 24 volt DC supply in common terminal, so you will get 24 volt supply in digital output terminal. If you connect a 220 volt supply in common, so you will get 220 volt supply in digital output terminal. Okay, in this video we want to control 24 volt DC one bulb with this PLC, and also we want to control 124 volt DC relay, and also want to start 220 volt contactor. Okay, so let's start video. First understand which digital input terminal we will connect. So we will connect one push button, one limit switch and one proximity sensor. Okay, as a digital input terminal, and as a digital output we will connect one bulb which operate on 24 volt DC supply. We will connect one relay. Okay, this relay will operate on 24 volt DC supply, and also we connect one contactor. This contactor will operate on 220 volt supply. So we will control this contactor with this relay. Okay, for input power supply we connect one control MCB, and for 24 volt DC supply we connect one SMPS. Okay, so let's start control wiring. First we connect input power supply in control MCB. Okay, control wiring is very simple, so watch video carefully. First we will connect neutral connection in this PLC neutral terminal for input power supply. So we will connect a neutral connection in 2 number point, you can see here, and connect line connection in PLC 1 number terminal. Okay, and also you can connect earthing connection. Okay, now let's learn a PLC digital input wiring. As we know, we have one PNP type sensor, so we need to do wiring as a source mode. Okay, if you have any NPN sensor, so you need to do control wiring as a sync mode. Okay, so we have PNP type sensor, so we need to do wiring as a source mode. So for source mode we need to do short wire of 24 volt ground terminal to SS terminal. Okay, now for 24 volt DC supply we connect SMPS input power supply line and neutral in this SMPS. Okay, now SMPS connection is now done. Now learn a digital input wiring. For digital input wiring, first we short 24 volt ground terminal to SS terminal for source mode wiring. Okay, and control 24 volt positive. Okay, and we will control 24 volt positive one more time for source mode wiring. Okay, so for source mode wiring we connect this 24 volt positive wire and connect this wire in push button input terminal. When this push button will press, so supply comes in this and operate X1 digital input. You can operate any digital input. Okay, when push button will press, so X1 digital input will operate. Same connection for limit switch and proximity sensor. Okay, now for limit switch, okay, when limit switch will operate, so X2 digital input should operate. Okay, so for limit switch, in limit switch we have one NO point and one NC point. Okay, and for limit switch control wiring we connect one connector from push button input terminal of 24 volt supply. Okay, and connect this supply in limit switch NO point. When limit switch will operate, so supply will pass through NO point and will operate X2 digital input. Okay, when push button will press, so X1 will operate. When limit switch will operate, so X2 will operate. Okay, you can operate any digital input. Okay, it's a very basic and simple concept. Okay, now for proximity sensor, when proximity sensor will operate, so X3 digital input should operate. But for proximity sensor, we need to provide supply 24 volt supply. Okay, so first we take negative or 0 volt supply and connect proximity sensor blue wire. Okay, blue wire for negative supply, and take positive supply from SMPS and connect sensor red wire. Okay, now sensor input connection will done. When sensor will operate, so supply comes in this black wire. Okay, black wire for sensor output terminal. Okay, it's a PNP type sensor, so sensor will operate, so positive supply comes here and connect with X3 digital input terminal. Okay, now very simple and basic concept. When push button will press, so X1 digital input will operate. When limit switch operate, so X2 digital input will operate. When sensor operate, so X3 digital input should operate. You can connect any other load, okay, and operate digital input. Okay, now learn a digital output connection. Okay, it's a very simple and basic concept. Okay, for digital output, we want to operate one bulb and one relay which operate on 24 volt DC supply, and contactor will operate on 220 volt supply. Okay, you can operate contactor directly with 220 volt supply, but we will operate this contactor through this 24 volt DC relay. Okay, it's a very simple and basic concept. Okay, first we need to connect to 24 volt supply in common C0 point. Okay, you can see here C0. So first we will connect a positive wire in C0 common point. Okay, now Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 we will get 24 volt DC supply. Okay, now learn a simple concept. When push button will operate, so X1 digital input will operate. When X1 will operate, so Y0 should operate. You can program any digital input and output. Okay, now when push button will press, so X1 will operate. When X1 will operate, so we will operate Y0, and by this Y0 we will operate bulb. Okay, so when push button will press, so bulb should start. Okay, so we connect to 24 volt supply in C0, so we will get Y0 24 volt DC supply and connect with this bulb. When push button will operate, so this bulb will start. Okay, in this bulb we will connect a negative supply directly. Okay, positive comes with this PLC. When push button will press, so this bulb should run. So positive connect with this PLC and negative connects directly. Okay, now when limit switch will operate, so relay should operate. Okay, by this limit switch, when limit switch will operate, so X2 input digital input will operate. When X2 digital input will operate, so Y1 should start. We can do any programming with digital input and output. Okay, so when limit switch operate, so relay should operate. So we connect one connector from Y1 to relay positive terminal. Okay, when limit switch will operate, so positive supply comes in this relay and relay operate, and negative connects directly. Okay, when push button will press, so bulb will operate. When limit switch will operate, so this relay will operate. Okay, and this relay will operate, so contactor should start. Okay, and as we know, contactor operate on 220 volt supply. So for 220 volt supply, we connect a phase wire in relay common point. Okay, we connect directly phase wire in relay common point. When relay will operate, when limit switch operates, so relay operate. When relay will operate, so common supply comes in this NO point. Okay, we will control 220 volt supply with this common and NO point. When limit switch operate, this relay operate. When relay operate, then 220 volt supply comes in this NO point and operate this contactor coil A2. Okay, so we connect phase wire in contactor A2 terminal, and we will connect neutral wire with this contactor A1 coil. Okay, so neutral connects directly in this contactor and phase connect with this relay. Okay, now when contactor will operate, so our motor will start. It's a very simple and basic concept. When push button operate, so this bulb will operate. When limit switch operate, when relay operate, so contactor will start, and you can program with sensor any load when sensor will operate. So if you want to run any other load, so you can connect with this PLC. I hope you clear the concept of this PLC digital input and digital output wiring. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. If you like this video, please press like button. For today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.